Okay, don't blink, because I'm about to turn plain cardboard and felt material into the cutest Christmas wreath ever. If you love DIY transformations, type "I'm ready" in the comments. Let's begin. Today, I plan to make a Christmas wreath. Not a store one, not something fancy, but something warm, soft, handmade, and full of that quiet Christmas magic. So come closer, let me show you exactly how I made it. I started with a plain piece of cardboard. If you're watching this, tell me in the comments, do you recycle cardboard too, or is it just me? I traced a big circle, cut out the center, and ended up with a simple ring. Nothing special yet, but to me, it already looked full of possibility. Then I took my red felt material and cut long strips. Wrapping the cardboard felt slow but peaceful, round and round, like wrapping love around the frame. If you're still watching at this point, comment, "I love DIYs." Let me see my creative people. Once the entire ring was wrapped in red felt, it was time to make the petals. And let me tell you, this part takes patience. I cut circles from the felt, about 7 centimeters each. Red ones first, then green ones. And while cutting them, I said out loud, "Who told me to start this many circles?" Tell me if you've ever asked yourself that in the middle of a craft. Then I folded each circle in half, then in half again, and glued 2 together to create 1 petal, over and over. At one point, I looked at my table and laughed. Glue strings everywhere, felt dust everywhere, scissors hiding under the mess like they were scared. So I asked the wreath, "You sure you're gonna be cute after all this work?" And the wreath stayed silent, rude. After making a big pile of petals, it was finally time to glue them on. This is the part that makes the magic happen. Red, green, red, green. I glued each petal around the ring. Slowly, the wreath started filling up, growing fuller, brighter, happier. If you're still with me at this point, type, "This is turning beautiful," because it really was. Halfway through, I stepped back and I couldn't help smiling. You ever see your ideas start looking better than how you imagined it? That was the moment. I kept gluing, slowly working my way around until the wreath was full and fluffy. Honestly, it was giving boutique store, not cardboard and felt. But I wanted this wreath to have personality. a little attitude, a little Christmas spirit that makes you smile as soon as you see it. So I made a Santa hat. Yes, from the same felt. I shaped it, glued it, gave it a cute little fluffy tip, and placed it on top of the wreath, tilted like Santa was posing for the camera. But something was missing, and then it hit me. Santa needs a face. So I turned the wreath over and glued a Santa face behind it, so it peeks through just a little bit, like he's saying, "Ho, ho, ho, you didn't expect me, did you?" When I finished, I took a breath. Sometimes after creating something, you just pause and admire it quietly. Because I didn't just make a wreath, I made a memory, a soft one, a warm one, filled with the joy of slowing down and creating something with your hands. If you've ever made something simple and ended up loving it way more than you expected, comment, "I understand." This wreath started as cardboard, felt circles, and glue, but it became a reminder that small things create big beauty, and handmade things, they always carry a special kind of magic. I planned this project, but the final result surprised me in the best way. And now, this little felt wreath might be one of my favorite creations ever. And that's it, my loves. My little felt Christmas wreath. From simple cardboard to something soft, festive, and full of Christmas joy. If you enjoyed watching this come together, please don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more beautiful DIYs. Tell me in the comments, should I make another felt project next? I'm always excited to create with you. Thanks so much for spending these minutes with me today. Stay creative, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas!